So morning everybody. Today actually it is Sunday, and on this fine day we are going to organize a debate, that is the between two teams. First number is Team Conquerors and the Team Dominators. Let me introduce you all, Team Conquerors, and everybody please wave the hand looking at the camera. Miss Mahi, captain. Miss Princey, captain. And vice captain, who is in your team? Miss Ayushi, please. Miss Suchi, Mr. Aman, Mr. Deves, Mr. Aditya, Mr. Aryan, Mr. Ambuj, and the silent killer, Mr. Dibyansu. And looking at from the captain, anti-clockwise, Miss Risu, Miss Jenny, Miss Prachi from Karachi, and Miss Mahi, Miss Kamini, Miss Vaishnavi. All right, Vaishnavi, open your hands. And talking about the team dominators, the captain is, who is the captain? Miss Falak Naj Urf Lado. Please see there. All right. And the vice captain, who is? Palak. And talking about next one, Miss Aditi and Miss Pratigya, Mr. Padmanav, Mr. Yes, Mr. Sahil, and Mr. Prince. Anti-clockwise, from the clockwise, from the captain, Miss Navika, Miss Kinjal, Miss Astha, Miss Anamika, and Miss Monica. Ready? Let's start without any delay. Let's start the debate. But yes, students, I want to tell you one thing, keep in mind. Debate is not a process where we have to set the people, where we have to cry, keep in mind, where we have to say unnecessarily point. Understood? We have to say reasonable point and then make them set. Wait for your turn. When you want to say, raise your hand. And when you catch the mic, please do something special, and you have to create a situation where everybody is busy on thinking what I should speak. That time you are a really winner. Don't point out and control your anger. So let's start without any delay. Who will start? The team dominators or the team conquerors? Team dominators. Team dominators. Monica, stand up. Do you know the meaning of dominators? Dominators means दबदबा बनाने वाला. एक गाना गाओ जरा सा. दबदबा था,
दबदबा है, दबदबा बना रहेगा.
दबदबा बना रहेगा. Very good. Start now. Come on. Start now. Yes.
Luck is better than hard work, because some people are gifted on sports, singing, or many things. His talent is often a luck, not a hard work.
Yeah, so she's saying that actually when a person is born into that a rich and prosperous family, his or her family background is very good. His or her family background is very good. It means there is no need to work hard. By luck he can achieve or she can achieve everything. All right. Anybody who want to respond? Grab the opportunity. Nobody will. Yes, Miss Risu.
Don't practice, you can do it.
Without practicing you can do it.
Yes.
Without practicing. This is saying that without practicing, without practicing anything, can you become perfect? Who will give the answer? Who will give the answer? Indirectly she is saying that hard work is more important than luck. Miss Lado. Louder and in a good accent, keep in mind.
Your hard work is the price of the admission into get into the stadium, but your luck decide who will play in the field. So it directly means your lucks matter more than your hard work, because of one bad luck can waste your years of hard work. So that's at the last point, your lucks matters more than your hard work.
All right. Who will now? Who will give the answer? All right. Miss Suchi, please.
Hard work is the key of success. As we know that the air is lighter because of an scientist. He do hard work because then we have a brightness in our world. That's why we can say that hard work is more important than luck.
Hard work is more important than luck. Have the table here. Why are you so silent? Not too much. Otherwise
Hard work is a key, but luck is a door, and without door, key is a useless. And our birth is a true luck. And if we are getting a good family, if we are getting a good clothes, it's our true luck. And without our luck, we cannot win a lottery ticket. A lottery ticket change your whole life in overnight. And can you win a lottery ticket with your hard work?
Right. Who wanna say something about it, please? Please hand over this to Mr. Abhay. Abhay, gentleman. Fastly, quickly. Start now.
If a person born in rich family, this is I think that this is luck. But the person if he's not do hard work, so his all money will flow on the way of city and sir, let me complete. If he cannot do hard work, so his all money flow away, and if he drank the wine and many more things, cigarette like that, so this is the way his all money flow away, and there is not the matter of luck, this is the matter of hard work.
Wow. Oh my goodness. It means that hard work is proved. What is? Who will give the answer? Miss Aditi.
So it's called a bad luck, not the hard work. We listen the case. Ketan Agarwal, his worth is 600 crore, but if he has a bad luck, he died. He has a many money too, but he has a bad luck.
Right. No, wait. One. Then there will be the open chance. Anybody else? Mr. Raman, please. Everybody very first one chance.
Hard work is more important than luck, because as in says in our Sanskriti, in the ways charai veti in our culture, in the Veds says that charai veti. If a person who has luck but he has no idea, he has no creating power, then how he will achieve their aims and success.
Miss Palak, one by one, everybody.
You are talking about that.
Louder.
You are talking about that if you have creativity, so you can change your luck. It's not so that if your luck is not good, so your hard work can go waste.
Who will give the answer? Right, Mr. Ayushi, please. Give now.
So how could you say that luck is better? That in every situation we read in the book and every policy we only read about the hard work. That is the hard work is the real key. And every time when we see, I want to give the example that Virat Kohli, he is not very lucky. And even if I talk about the Narendra Modi and many of the successful person, Elon Musk, he did hard work, then he gets success. Without doing hard work, how could you say that luck is working?
Okay, my goodness, she is saying that without hard work nothing is impossible. Who can? She has given the example of Virat Kohli, Elon Musk. Now what do you want to say, Miss Navika?
So as you are saying that without a hard work, Elon Musk don't achieve success. So I want to ask you the question that a rickshaw puller, he was doing hard work regularly. How can you say that? So it means that a rickshaw puller can be Elon Musk's next.
Can become Elon Musk? No,
Yes.
it's not possible. It's not possible. Miss Princey, it's not possible. Keep on raising your hands. Everybody will get the chance.
The person who hard work in the right way, who gets success. Otherwise, luck is comes for everybody. The person who called intelligent, who got great. Why? Because he do any work with his he does any work with his strategy. Sir, what's the mean? Sir, strategy. Strategy. That's why he called different. Otherwise, everyone do hard work, but they didn't get successful because of.
Said this is the reputation of voice. Okay. Hand over the mic to Mr. Prince, please, fast. Come on, quickly. Be active, fast. Right. Only you that take your hand is very long.
On my point of view, I think that working in a right way, it says about the person. But let me tell you that if a person is having a more 0.1% of luck, if that luck will turn into bad luck, your whole life will be destroyed.
one chance.
99%
Please,
because
please.
you have that.
One
1%
mic,
will
without mic, without mic, without mic, no, without mic, no. Mic, with mic only. To the people, oh my goodness, who will give the answer of Mr. Prince? Prince says, saying it's your bad luck, it's not your good luck. How can you say this? That's Nabi. Stand up, please, pass.
He said that
Louder.
luck do your achievement 1%, but hard work 99%. If you do hard work, you get success definitely. Luck is not important.
Life is best, Nabi. She is the most powerful girl of this coaching. Most powerful girl of this coaching, Miss Vaishnavi Thakur. Who will oppose Miss Vaishnavi? Who will? Mr. Parth. Because this time Parth can oppose. Because you know that Parth has played the role of Lord Ram. He knows all the tricks. Come on.
So, sir, firstly, I want to tell you, my point is very not too long, but lengthy. But you all have to listen very calm, very peacefully. That I have, firstly, I have two answers. Firstly, for Bhaiya, that he has said that
Bhaiya. Who is? Suchi Bhaiya.
Mr. Spectacled Bhaiya.
Mr. Aman is. All right.
So-
Suchi Bhaiya, come on.
Sir, I have the answer that he have said that in our culture, hard work is the key to success. So I think this was his answer. That, but I want to tell you, in our culture, it is also mentioned in the Vedas कि ईश्वर की कृपा हो तो भाग्य का लिखा भी बदला जा सकता है. And I have the second answer. And I have also the second, sir. I have second answer. I have also second answer. Princy Didi has said that there is 0.01% luck. But if I want to tell you that in my life, in my list, the most luckiest person is Mr. Rajni sir, who have recovered his eye injury because he is lucky. Because of his luck and God's faith and his luck.
I'm not responsible for it.
That's why I want to tell you that luck is better than hard work.
Please, thank you, Mr. Parth, for giving valuable points. And please, mic pass, please. You can use your hands. Yes, now. All right. And Miss Jenny, what do you want to say about this?
Sir, actually I am opposing the person
Once a time you are getting, that chance for speaking, to give the most valuable point which you have.
who said about you that you are a very luckiest person, but if you didn't do any hard work, so there's a many students who come your coaching and give the fees and study with you. So without hard work, the people cannot come with you, because he knows about your hard work and he knows about your knowledge. Without
I will go to the court.
Sir,
I will go to
sir,
the
one
court.
point is-
Dr. Kenny, why she is giving my example in debate? Why?
Sir, he is also giving your point.
Oh, finger. No, actually, katta tana rahega, dabdaba.
Sir, actually one point is
Yeah,
also
right.
she said, sorry,
He said.
she said,
He said.
no, she said.
Aditi.
Aditi said the matter of Ketan Agarwal. So if he didn't do any hard work, so how can we know about the hard work? Sir, there is a very much business he established.
But
So
there is the hard work of Sia.
no, sir.
Just only.
Sir,
It's the bad luck of Mr. Ketan Agarwal, so he was killed. It's the bad luck. If you are lucky, you would have a good wife, good life partner.
Sir,
I'm not saying. They are saying something else. Mr. Padmanabhan. Anybody else? Who would oppose it?
sir, I think that,
Matter of,
sir, actually,
you know, this is the burning point, burning matter. Ketan Agarwal is here. Yes, let them say something. Yes. Anybody else wouldn't speak even still a first time? Anybody else who would like to get the chance? Pasta? Oh, right, Asta, yes.
Even Napoleon, one of the greatest commander, said that I would rather lucky person than to good person. It means he also believed that luck is key to success.
Oh, right. That is the key to success. Anybody
Sir,
else?
sir.
Still who didn't?
Sir,
Oh, yeah.
I have
Only 1 minute. Yes.
Very first, let me know if you are believing in luck. So why are you here? You can also think that luck will be always there. And also, sir, let me complete. And also is that why did you practice and why did you hard work in your 10th class?
Why
You
did
can
work-
think that luck will be always there.
Anybody else? Miss Pratigya. She is asking. Miss Pratigya is also one of the toppers. She is asking, why did you work hard in your 10th class? Why? Yes. Indirectly, she is saying that you should not work hard. Yes, come on, please.
Firstly, I favorite the luck, and
I am in the favor of luck.
and according to me, luck is very important, because if you work hard and luck does it with you, your hard work is useless. And I give you the
She is
And-
right, guys. She is right. Listen to me.
And I-
Suppose that you are working hard for government job, or if you get the government job at the age of 59, what is the you job is? Because your luck is not working.
sir complete.
Right? And 60, you are getting retirement. So
Sir-
I think that hard work is useless. Come on, Pratigya.
And-
I'm not saying, please, they are saying, why are you getting angry at me? Go
Sir,
on.
Didi said कि I am here because hard work, but I am here because luck, and it is not my destiny. I am not here.
Oh,
Because,
wow, very good.
and sir, complete.
Life propose.
Sir,
Life propose.
sir.
Anybody?
Sir, I can take example.
Yeah, example, please.
Sir, I give the example like I and Didi go to an exam, and I got the 99 number, and he got the 98%, and he not selected. She got the 98, and she not selected. I am selected. It is not your hard work, because it is not your destiny.
Yes, please, give me the mic, please. Please, who else will be? Miss Pirachi from Karachi, a foreign person is sitting here. Why are you not giving her chance to speak up?
You are saying that luck is better than hard work, but it's not so, because you came here and you work hard. You have passed board examination last year. You work hard whole year at all. But if you have hard belief that luck is more important, so why did you work hard? You didn't work hard. You work hard because you know luck works once time, two times, and even 3 times, but it's not so always. So, and you are saying that luck is more important. So your point also point this. Your parents are not working hard for you.
Your parents are not, wow, very good.
Your parents work hard. That's why you are.
Hard,
That's why you are here, and that's why you are become.
Thank you, Prachi. This is called nuclear bomb from the conquerors. Anybody else, Mr. Padmanabh? Do you have any hydrogen bomb for them, please?
Okay, just tell me that, because you are in favor of hard work, and we are in the favor of luck. So just tell me that in 19 November 2023, in the final, that India versus Australia, and Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma also there, but why they are lost the final? Because their destiny, and after it, because just tell me that Elon Musk is the is the first trillionaire in the world, and he is not working hard. He is just because of his luck, because his company SpaceX has achieving more success than ISRO and NASA, because his luck, not his hard work. And after it because of because in our country many people are living there, and we have a population of 140 billion, and they means, just tell me that in America there is only population of 35 million, and they have military power big military power than us, because they are luck, and they have achieving many success, and firstly means, sir, what is the meaning of unhone hi banaya? Firstly they make the nuclear bomb, not Russia, because their destiny. Okay, just that's why we says that we are in the favor of luck.
Who is having the response of this hydrogen bomb? Please, who is having the response of this hydrogen bomb? Mr. Divyanshu, and Mr. Ambuj, do you have the response of this? Yes, Ambuj. He is willing to tell. He is willing to tell. Fast, please, not one by one. Quickly, be active, don't kill the time.
So if when the scientists they didn't work hard, so how can they made nuclear bomb or hydrogen bomb?
Stick for that. Mr. Sahil Khurana, do you have the answer? Mr. Sahil. All right, hand over the mic to Mr. Aniket. He is playing fast. Is there anybody who didn't get still a chance? Still get once a time. Everybody? Right. Now free zone is starting. Come on.
I believe that luck is important and hard work. Many successful actors, singers, and business owner became after one unexpected opportunity changed their life. As a Mona Lisa, that luck, not a hard work.
Wow, Mona Lisa. Example of Mona Lisa. She was selling only that garlands and rosary, different kinds of rosary. Everybody knows about Mona Lisa. It's called luck. It's called luck. Luck is always more important than hard work. Right, guys?
No, sir, how can you
Right?
say that?
Right. Calmly say that.
She would also doing hard work.
Yeah, right.
And she would without hard work they can.
Very good. Yes, wait now. Yes, without hard work.
Without hard work,
How can she become famous? How can she become famous without hard work? Anybody else who is having the most valuable point? Anybody is there? 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 Miss Asta, do you have any point?
No one was by his garland, but she is famous for her beauty, and it is her luck.
And beauty comes by luck because of parents, not because of hard work. Otherwise, why do the listen to me? Otherwise, why do the women go to beauty parlor? Why? Anybody else? Anybody else? Mr. Deves, take now, please. Please take now.
Virat Kohli is famous. Why famous? Virat Kohli famous cricketer. Why?
Why?
Because of luck.
Who is having the answer? Mr.
Sir,
Yes.
I think 2016. One side is a father dead body and second side is a World Cup. Final World Cup. And Virat Kohli cannot go dead body, but he play of cricket.
Very good. Give a big hand for Mr. Deves.
Why?
He's a very daring student. Just he spent only few days in Kochi, but even then he is speaking. That's fine, fantastic. Mr. Yes.
As you are saying that because there is a luck of becoming successful. Because if there is not a luck, how they can become successful?
Mr. Divyansu.
Luck is temporary. Lucky person don't have any skill. That's why they. Firstly, Mona Lisa has a beauty, but now where is she? Luck is temporary.
Wow, fantastic. Divyansu.
Now-
Very powerful person. Come on. Yes.
Now, if you don't have skill, you cannot do anything in your future.
And skill comes after her.
And Mr. Elon Musk, at starting age, Mr. Elon Musk do hard work. Then he become a trillionaire. Now he has money and he do anything.
Now, hand over the mic to Miss Navika. Miss Navika will now face the whole group. Anybody can stand up and give the points. Anybody can stand.
As she has saying that Mona Lisa, she has done hard work, then she has achieved this achievement. So I wanna ask you that the Dolly Chaiwala, which type of hard work he has done, so he is famous.
Mic only you will have, okay? And anybody can stand up and oppose. Come on, start now.
I wanna ask you the question as you all are saying.
Aggression.
I wanna ask you the question as you all are saying that the Mona Lisa, she is famous and she got this achievement because of her beauty and hard work. So I wanna ask you that Dolly Chaiwala, which type of hard work he has done? Now he has she's much famous.
No, without mic. You can speak louder.
The Dolly Chaiwala is famous because he had a right manner of his hard work.
No, which type of hard work? Wait, which type of hard work? There are many people. Just listen, let me complete my point.
You
make her
Because
channel. He make his channel.
to touch his tongue to on the milk that will
Let her face. Come
He
on.
make his channel. He make his channel and his subscribers.
Just let me complete my point. There are many tea sellers. They are not famous, but the Dolly Chai wala, he is famous because of his luck. Everyone can be a famous.
But there is a unique.
Very good, yes.
Sir, which type of skill he is?
India, you have surrendered. You have to face the whole.
No, she gives.
Come on,
She gives.
start now.
Sir, which type of skills he is talking about to touch the milk with the tongue that the milk after the customer will drink. Which type of skill it is called? Just tell me. Let me speak. Then one by one. One will speak, then I will oppose. One by one. Who has to speak?
Fantastic, Bharat. This is the commanding. One by one. Yes, come on.
You say that Dolly Milk wala
Milk wala, not Dolly Chai.
Dolly Chai wala touch the milk with his tongue.
You
But,
can see it on
this is the
YouTube.
luck- This is the luck.
Which type of hard work? Which type of skill he is talking about? No, very fast understand the statement of your mates. What he's saying, it's a skill. It is not a skill. And if I talk about that, you are talking about reading, IQ level. Just I want to because it is all. Excuse me, sir. Let me speak. Let me complete it first. Like he's talking about his skill. So it is. I can say it is a biological lag because if you don't have the IQ level, let me speak. If you don't have the IQ level, if you don't have the physical stamina, how you can study? Your study power also. Your study power. Just tell me, complete. Your studying power also requires your luck, and the luck is called biological luck. Then you know if.
Listen.
The quality of luck have every person. But change our quality into hard work is not have every person.
Your one bad luck can destroy your years of hard work. That doesn't matter because I just want to say. Let me give the last example. Sir, excuse me, sir. Let me speak only last one example. There's an exam of NEET. 22 lakh of students are there. 50,000 of seats are there, and in 22 lakhs students, there are only 7 lakhs students who study, works hard, who surrendered their body to the study. They cut themselves from the society, but still there are 50,000 students who selected, who got the seats. What about that 7.5 lakh students?
They don't hard work. That's why they had not skill. That's why they always fail.
You are talking about skill. Just tell me if any person lost their own relative, own their fathers, which type of hard work is there? They are hard working for losing their parents. You are talking about which type of luck you are talking? Hard working.
It depends on God, not your luck.
That's why it is our luck that we lost our parents. It is our luck that.
Wait. Mike. Everybody will sit now. Jenny, stand up. The whole
Sir, everything is not about.
They are saying.
Everything is not depend on your luck. It's your. No. Okay, let me speak. I give the example. Each and every person here, I think you looking like a good personality and you belonging the very good family. Okay, very fast. Let me complete. Then you will talk.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, I saw. So your father started a business. So before he capable, he depend on luck. So your father not establish your business, your own.
Very good.
Yes, he didn't establish the very big business.
Speaking your voice.
Why not? Hard work, so he cannot never start the.
Pardon, please.
Stand up. Anybody there? You are free zone.
If
Stand
you are
up.
saying that our father is hardworking, then
Nobody will give
we
you
are
the
here.
chance.
So
Yeah.
I want to tell you that if our father is not luckiest the person and he is not the capable for the business, so we can.
How can you say that? In the society.
Quality and you don't have a luck, so you cannot never.
So quality comes from a hard work. Quality, how can you say that quality comes from a luck?
Right. Wait. Okay. Jenny, please sit down. Miss Princey, face the whole group. Stand up. Hold the mic. Attack. Nobody is saying. Shoot her. Kill her.
So like he's talking about hard work. I can say that And I'm the best at English. I can speak very well English. I can write very well English. But I just want to say that I got 82 in my English exam in board. That's my bad luck.
Because your writing is not good.
Where you have not written good in a good way. He is a witness. I had corrected.
You have hard work only learning English, not hard work only writing. That's why your writing is. You have hard work but not in a right way. That's why your writing is not good.
Hey guys, sit now. Boy, Parth, Prince, stand up please. Padmanabh, stand up please. And Mr. Sahil, stand up please. Defeat this girl. Come on, guys.
I want to tell you.
Haraj, watch, sir.
I want to tell you that they are saying that hard work is more better than luck. So I want to tell you that if all are studying here, so it is their luck that.
It's depend on hard work. It's depend on hard work. It's depend on hard work. Wait. It's depend on hard work. Listen. Wait, listen.
Rich family, it is your hard work. No, luck that was.
Listen. Sir, can I speak, please?
You are having the mic. Why you are asking? Listen now. Only your voice will be. Hello, Kunsi. Only your voice will be. Excuse me.
He's saying that.
What? Can you listen to Anna Pandya? Who?
Yeah, because he had hard work. That's why he became